In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer ice maker wiring harness in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new freezer ice maker wiring harness, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. To remove the freezer door, open the freezer and locate these two bolts on the back side of the door near the upper corners. Slightly loosen them with a 1/4 inch nut driver, wrench, or socket. Once loose, you can lift the door off the hanging struts. To remove the drawer stop, insert a small flat blade screwdriver into the slot and gently start to pry on the locking tab. Then, grab and pull to remove. You may find this tricky. Repeat the same on the other side. Now, remove the top drawer by sliding it out and lifting up. Now, to remove the bottom drawer, tilt up on the front, push to the back to release the locking tabs, and lift out. This may be a little tricky. Next, locate the 3 electrical connectors on the ice maker and disconnect them by depressing the locking tabs. Then, using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 2 screws. Now, pivot the front of the ice maker out and pull towards you to release the 2 retaining tabs. Now, using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 2 screws on the bottom of the ice maker, followed by the mounting bracket. Then, insert a flat blade screwdriver in these 2 slots to carefully pry off the cover. Now, carefully remove the wiring harness from the retainers and depress the locking tab on the electrical connector to remove it from the ice maker. When shopping for a new freezer ice maker wiring harness, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the wiring harness, align the electrical connector and push until it snaps back in place. Then, reinstall the harness into the retainers. Now, align the mounting bracket and reinstall the 2 screws. Next, align the cover and push to snap back in place. If it is upside down, it will not seat properly. To install the ice maker, insert the retaining tabs on the back of the ice maker in the slots. Rotate, align, and reinstall the 2 screws. Now, reconnect the 3 electrical connectors. Then, make sure the water fill line is properly aligned to the ice maker within the chute. With the ice maker installed, flip the arm down to turn on the ice maker. Allow 6 to 12 hours for it to cool down and to start making ice. To install the bottom drawer, first locate the locking tabs on the back that need to be hooked on the drawer slides. Then insert the back of the drawer at an angle between the upper rail and drawer slide. Now tilt the front down and position it on the slides. Then make sure the retaining tabs align to the slots. You may need to push the drawer back for the retaining tab to catch. To install the top drawer, align the rear wheels to the rails, ensuring the guide is aligned properly, and push back in place. To install the drawer stop, align and firmly press in place. Repeat the same on the other side. To install the freezer door, align the hanging tabs near the bottom of the door to the slides and the bolts to the notches on the hanging struts. Once the door is seated properly, tighten the bolts. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.